welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today is a Vlogmas day 19. So today I am doing this really cute festive look, some nice rainbow eyes and some festive Christmas lights on my face. So if you want to see how I did this, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because that really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So this is the finished look. So it is a really cute rainbow look with these festive Christmas lights. So what everyone's been waiting for, it is advent calendar time. So let's just quickly do a run through. So far we have got the eyeliner, we've got the blush, we've got 2 little eyeshadows, we've got a gag gift, which was the mini clipboard, we have the contour palette, we have the lipstick and lip pencil, we have the lip gloss, and we have the mascara, and we have the highlighting palette. So today we are opening up number 10. So let's go grab it. Okay, so this is number 10. So I guess that it was either a brush or some sort of tube, like maybe a concealer or a foundation or something like that. So let's rip it open and have a look at what's inside. Yes, I'm right, it's a brush. So it is a really cute fluffy brush. It's got this really pretty flower pattern on it, and it is by Glam by Manicure. It's a really nice and soft. It would make a very good powder brush. So really beautiful. So that is what was in day 10. Now whilst I was there, I did grab day 11. So day 11 looks like this, and it is very heavy. Now I think there may be 2 products in this. I feel like as though, yeah, I feel like there's 2 different products. See, like this one's lower and that one's higher. So I don't know. What do you guys think is in this one? I'm gonna say maybe a foundation or a concealer. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments, because we will be opening this up in 2 days' time. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up down below, because it really helps me out. If you're new, don't forget to join the family, hit that subscribe button, change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you could share my video so I can try and hit 200 subscribers before the end of the year, then that would be very much appreciated. As always, thanks for watching, guys.